Welcome everyone to Kauka Gurukul. So nice to see that you all had a great summer, and then Pranav told us about a fun vacation in Yellowstone, and I'm sure all of you also enjoyed. And slowly things are opening up, but be careful, okay? When you go out, be careful, and it's so nice to see all your faces. And we'll get started immediately. So the first topic we'll be talking about is Gokulashtami. And who's teaching you about this today? That's Sadhana Pachi and Venkatma.
Do 1 minute, Preeti. I'm just connecting through another computer. The slides open dattana. Just give me 2 minutes.
Sure. Ani, do you know who, which god is Gokulashtami based on? Gotaski? Do you know Kanchdev? Kushi?
No.
Kona? Aikani?
Krishna.
Pranav, tu attachment Shilva?
Krishna.
Who
Why?
said that? Suraj. Krishna. Ani, what do you like about Krishna, Lord Krishna? Suraj,
Krishna likes butter.
yes. And do you like butter, Suraj? Are you baby Krishna? Yeah.
Yes.
How many of you have started in-person school? Suraj, Vihan.
In-person madam school.
Pranav, tu hai na? Pranav, Riya. Okay, how do you find it? How do you find in-person school? You're enjoying it?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you being careful? You're wearing your mask?
Yes.
Good. And you're keeping the distance?
Yes.
And you, Pranav is going like this. He's not like this. He's not like this. He's like this. What does that mean, Pranav?
So
Sort of.
basically, half of the times we keep our distance, half of the times.
And what does that mean, Kunal? What is
So
this?
basically,
Manomai, have you started in-person school to start kelva ki ghar tanu online school? Manomai? Tugal kasha school?
I'm Kaparo Pandit and currently it's still on offline. So yeah.
Oh, so from
Okay, Preeti. So, I think, sorry, Miguel, slides open koru kashtadalale, so I have to log in from another device. So, ami sur koriyame Krishnashtami bagu ulo chata. Okay. So, all couple of weeks sukuno, all of you might have seen must festival celebrate kelena mami. Tumgel घर कड़े तुमगल मम्मी से चूड़ी पूजा करता आशा पुरोची on Fridays and Sundays कड़े रक्षा बंधन सुत्ता पुन्नवा. So these couple है श्रावण भाद्रपद महिन्यांतो आमगेल Hindu calendar anto amka mast festivals settachi. And one of the festivals that we are going to celebrate tomorrow is Gokulashtami, the Krishna Janmashtami, Krishna's birthday. So, at the baby Krishna bagitumi sangta shilinche, you said he liked butter. Anika sale share koru as tumka?
How old is Krishna turning tomorrow?
How old is Krishna turning tomorrow? Okay, so you can associate. Tumi kitla hodas ki title hoda mundharachi. If you're 8 years old, you can think that Krishna is turning 8. If you are 4 years old, you can think that Krishna is turning 4. Riya Nimgelal now the question.
I'm 6 years old.
You're 6 years old, Suraj. So you can think that Krishna is turning 6 tomorrow, okay?
I actually think that Krishna is 555,699.
Okay.
Costume galta.
Well, tum katmigal slide distas, va?
Why?
Slides distas, Miguel?
Why?
Right. Okay. Okay. So, Krishnashtami. Krishnashtami ka wingad navana petachi. Gokulashtami mantachi. Krishna Janmashtami mantachi. Krishna Jayanti mantachi. Krishna Jayanti munche Krishna le birthday mono. Janma malari the day he was born, Ashtami. Krishna was born in Gokul. Tach kateri Gokulashtami mantachi. We were talking about Lord Krishna, name. Lord Krishna to atami Dashavatar mantana Vishnu le dha avatars name tantu Krishna le atta avatar, 8th avatar. And Devaki ani Vasudeva lo to atta putu, 8th son. Krishna dalal kedna Ashtami. Ashtami me wala kanche amgele Hindu calendar antu atta divaso, 8th day. So the number 8 has lot of significance. Krishna what associate kartana. Krishnashtami kedna celebrate karta chi. Krishna Paksha. Krishna Paksha male kasale. Am ek lunar month kalari. You have 2 phases. From new moon to full moon. Taka Shukla Paksha bantachi. When the moon is slowly waxing, hoda dattasa, and it ends on the full moon day, Purnima. Anneka Krishna Paksha. Krishna Paksha malakasale from full moon to new moon. Then the moon sana datta, and it ends in Amavasya. So Krishna Paksha che atta divas. Krishnashtami ek pati Shravan anteta, ek pati Bhadrapada anteta. So it depends upon Tavarsa Panchanga kashi mod. Panchanga malari amgele Hindu calendar. Okay. So at the Krishna Devaki ani Vasudeval putu mun sangile. Do you know where Krishna was born? Aspatre dalal veto hospital anto. Konaka gotta sir? Where Krishna was born?
Prison.
Why? He was born in a prison. Very good. So, Krishna lo Ankalashilo Kamsumono. He was a very cruel person. Taka Bhavishyavani, that is forecast. Ainidava Taka that Tagel Bhaini Devakilo Childo Taka Jivshi Marta Mono, that he will be killed by his sister's child. What did he do? Tane Devaki ani Vasudevaka he imprisoned them in a jail, Thainchi, and all their children were born there. Ani tane before Krishna kontank children the linki, he used to kill each child because taka bhayashil. Those kids will grow up and kill him more. But when Krishna was born on that day, because I think Ammi ek pati Amara Chitrakatha vajjilela. I don't know how many of you remember, but we had read this story of Krishna. Kashi Krishna born dalo. When he was born, Tadivasu joru pausitashila. It was raining, and he was born at night. Dalari kasadale. All the guards fell asleep magically. Tangel prison ach door apak open dale. It just opened. So Vasudevan kasakele newborn baby Krishna ka he took him to his friend's house. Nanda Montagel friend ashilo tagel gharkad gheun gelo across the Yamuna river, and this was at night. So Tajikatiri आम्ही even when we celebrate, आम्ही पूज करताना, अष्टमी celebrate करताना, आम्ही रात्री पूज करताची. So आम्ही पूज करचे आणि so many people they stay up at night, भजन करताची, कडेरी जागरण करताची, मध्यरात्री that is midnight, तनी पूज करताची. Exactly. Whole day fast korno, पूज करून दत्ता रात्री जेवताची. So how do we celebrate Krishnashtami? It is celebrated all over India. Vingvingad kade vingvingad reetir celebrate kartache. Some of the common things kasa kartache, especially Angel Hanga, that is how do Konkani people celebrate, most of them. Tanni Krishna le ratri puj kartana Krishna ka tulsi offer kartache. Have you seen tulsi plant? Kon tulsi plant padela hath, can you just raise your hands? Kunal, who else? Very good. Right. Riya, Suraj, Khushi, Manonmay, very good. So almost all of you have seen. Good job. So tulsi is used, Angele kanche worship hanto, dava kofar kuruka, tulsi plant hai kartache. It is supposed to be a holy plant. Taje English now sameta, it is called as holy basil. At the Italian cooking a basil use karta pade, tashichi tulsi ka holy basil mantaj. Puja kani tulis offer kartachi. Tulsi plant is very dear to Krishna. Tashi hanga tumi palelari hai Udupich Krishna Murti. So thai Swame he is offering tulsi to Krishna. Tani Sahasranamani Ashtottar mantachi. Sahasranam malari the various names of Lord Krishna. Ani Ashtottar mala 108 takkele names. So every time you say a name, you offer tulsi to Krishna.
So angedek padta kitli tulsi dalle. So this is the tulsi offered to Krishna.
Right. Kaderi tulsi offer kondatari endaka arghya mondetachi. Tumi shanku palelave conch shell. Te shankana shanka bitar udda ghalno Krishna idolaka arghya offer kartachi. Dood offer kartachi. So that puja kaidadat. So this is how hanga ashtami puja kartachi. Kaderi in what other ways is celebrated? Hanga what do you see on the floor? Tumka? Yeah, we have
Footsteps.
yes, footsteps. So especially Tamil Nadu hanga tanni taka rangoli mantadava kolam mantachi. So using rangoli pitti tanni ghara bhari they'll make small footsteps. Tumka distunave. And those footsteps are used to say that hai Krishna footsteps. Krishna sagle gharantu chamkunvattasa. Mono tashi footsteps daketachi. Kaderi, and in the next picture tumka kasa dista. What all do you see? Chakuli, prasado, undo, hododundo, chakuli, muruku, sweets. So have pura Krishna katirtani kelele offerings. Right. Padela potta book kartas, no? And whom do you see here? Kon dista. Anika she celebrate kartachi. Cheldu anka. Sana chelanka chelianka. Krishna she dress up kartachi. Chelyankara de kartachi. Chelank Krishna kartachi. Dress up korna shapur. You might ask your parents. Photos asave. Mon. Tungelpura. Hanga at the Devasthana galleries, Contempla gallery, there will be competitions wherein you can submit photos of yourself dressed up as Krishna. So Cheldu Anka, Krishna Radha she dress up korno, Tangele hankartach. Then there is one more ritual, generally Gokulashtami korche. Konaka gotasveya, has self physical hashi, self gymnastics involved that.
त्यांनी उंचार एक पॉट ऑफ धंय घालता ती आणि शी स्टॅक करतात मस्त पीपल आणि एक पर्सन ते पॉट फुटयतात आणि सेलिब्रेट करतात ती.
Exactly. So it is called as dahi handi. Dahi malari hindintu cuts. Handi malari pot. So तुम्ही पळेला all these people have pyramid she ekla shoulders ali ekli chono vairi vochono they try to break that pot. कळेवा करताची तुम्ही सांगेल नव्हे Krishna was very fond of butter म्हणून. So when Krishna was a boy, तागेल village भितरी तो विंगविंगडा घरा वचून बटर खाऊन येत तशिलो तो गुदवरल्यार. What did those people do? Oh, नाल अर्धवरल्यारी तो गुदवरल्यारी हे चिल्डू येऊन बटर खाऊन वताची म्हणून त्यांनी वैरी on the ceiling ते एक राज्या भितरी बटर पॉट दवरता आशिली. तेन्ना चिल्डू अंक हाता मेळना. They cannot touch it. It's too high for them. म्हणून Krishna was very smart. तुम्ही हाय दवरला हा सोडतवे. You think I won't leave it? म्हणतानी कसं केलंय? Along with his friends, तो वैतशीची. तागेल friends used to stand at the bottom. He used to climb onto their shoulders and eat the butter. So तशी उडगास करूंका they have this dahi handi competition. तक्का कन्नडान ಮೊಸರು ಕುಡಿಕೆ म्हणताची, हिंदीन दही हंडी म्हणताची. थंय वैर कसले एक हुक असता देवा. हुक असता, crane असता. If you see here, it's hung from a crane. So it's pretty high. Bombay and all, it's very famous. Thai vair chadtana, in order to thai vair chadta astana, so they'll throw water so that it's not very easy for them. They still have to balance and they have to get it. It's like a competition. I think pura tang protective materials khalnastat. So apart from that, North Indian tani pura ras kheltachi. Ras malarat navratrintu you have garba, dandiya ras. So how Krishna used to play with gopis, tashichi they dance, and that is how they remember Krishna. So at the Krishnashtami asa, so all of you can post to me kashi celebrate kelle, how did you gharkad kaskasa kelle, what sweets did you eat, what bhajans did you sing. So all of you can post a small video to our Facebook group. That will be your homework for this. Kasale questions aski konakachi? Okay. Thank you.
Very nice, Sadhana. Anyone have any questions? Sadhana Pachika questions Nimuncheski? Konake questions as well? Anyone has questions? No questions? You want to tell something about Krishna or Gokulashtami or anything you want to share?
Suppose tani padla re tani stack करताना suppose tani padla the stack antanu
ते तगु धोरू कोबरतात.
आणि युजली ती एकार एक पडता ती ओनली द वन ऑन द टॉप ताकचे काय रिस्क असता पण मागीर त्या स्ट्रिंग तगु हाणून मोस्टली तांकां तितले हर्ट जायना. म्हळ्यार
मस्त ट्रेन करून असता ऑलरेडी
वय लोकांगल वयर एकमेकां वयर पडतात ती.
But it's not it is dangerous. Right? So people who are but there are people who are trained in that.
Oh,
has anybody done that dahi handi? No? Okay, then maybe if we meet, then we should do a small one.
That will be fun.
This is a very common thing in Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai
Right.
and Baroda and all that. And
आम्ही every year करताली.
We used to do that every year, and
yes,
but it won't be so big. Those people that we saw, they are like professional, trained people. Matlab,
Yeah.
when we do it, we will be doing at about first or second floor level. Right, two
Yeah.
or three layers, 2 or 3 at the most.
Right.
Yes.
The fourth one will be the Krishna.
Correct.
He will
आम्ही
take it.
तशी करताली.
Right.
Second or third layer or at the most fourth layer.
Yeah.
आणि
Yeah,
next
and,
layer मस्त लोक असेल मी ती एकमेकांक म्हळ्यार हेल्प
Correct.
करतात
They don't fall on the floor.
Yeah,
So they
yeah.
fall on each other and
Correct.
they support each other. So the people who are standing below, they are ready to catch anyone who falls. And
Yes.
they minimize the hurt by no one falls directly on the floor. They hold them so they fall gently.
And one more thing about this Dahi Handi is there is a lot of money involved in that. And there are many organizations which train their children who are interested in forming that pyramid, it's called a pyramid. And they give special training for them. And then one more thing is that Dahi Handi, that pot which is hung on the top, inside the pot, there sometimes they have money also, and that goes, and nowadays I heard that it goes into lakh of rupees.
Hundreds
So,
of thousands.
yeah, so that is divided by all those boys who have taken the trouble of forming the the pyramid, and the amount is shared by everyone. So that is also very, very interesting.
Actually, we had planned the next item activity, Muru, but I think since we are talking about Dahi Handi, shall we look at the video first? You all want to see the video of Dahi Handi? Yeah, Suraj? Who else wants to see?
Yes.
Me. Kunal. Who else? Manomai. Vihan.
Everyone.
Okay, please.
Kushik punches, sir. Hey, Pia, 12 hai. कशे सर आता केदार माम लायतलो see how many people are gathered. Just can you imagine
This time
right,
अगर
this
start करता
हाँ now they are climbing on top of each other, forming the Dahi Handi.
The way they climb is also so interesting.
Yes. Teamwork.
Wow. Oh my God.
Very carefully.
They form a sort of ladder.
Did you see that? And did you see how they got down? So they train not just how to climb up, but they also train how to get down. Huh? Did someone say something? Gonna murder? Okay. Now you all ready to do your activity? Activity Korcheski. Who wants to do activity?
Come.
Anyone else? Manomay, activity kartva. Wait. Riya, Khushi, Kunal, Vihan, Suraj, Pia. Yeah.
Yeah. She's going to be the helper here with me today.
She's the one leading, so she will definitely do the activity. So now Namrata, Pachi and Pia are going to show you how to make a Rakhi.
Yeah. So do you all know what Rakhi is? Anybody can tell me what Rakhi is?
Rakhi is a thing that you tie on your hand.
Very good, Suraj. Okay, so it's actually called Raksha Bandhan, and in short, we call it Rakhi. So this is the festival which is celebrated by brothers and sisters all over, where the brother promises to take care of his sister and, you know, to love and protect her. So, you know, sometimes you don't have brothers, so the sisters take over that role. So if you're two sisters who can also, you know, promise to take care of each other and ensure that they are together lifelong and be the support and support for each other. So we'll have a short activity. We'll make a Rakhi. So we need a few. I hope you all have all the stuff ready that you were asked. Some cardstock paper. I have 3 colors here. The more colors you have, the better, or even a single color is fine. And then some scissors, glue stick, and then any decoration that you all want. I have a few colored beads with me. Okay, great. Suraj, I can see that you have some stuff. Do the others have their things ready? Yeah, and then we need a ribbon or thread, whatever.
Yarn.
Yeah, yarn, whatever you'll have. Very good, Bihan. So let's start. Yeah, very good, Ria. So let's start. Now with the cardstock paper, we can draw a shape. I have a few shapes, like I've just taken a cap so I can make a round. I also found a little flower that Pia had, so I cut a shape with that. Yeah, something like this, and I have.
So how many shapes do you have to make?
How many ever you want, like, you know, just to make it look nice, we will put this on this, just like that. You can put whatever design you want. You can just make a circle, you can draw something on it or color. Let's draw, draw, and then we'll cut a shape. Okay. I should. This and this I should. Okay.
I finished making a circle, and inside my circle there's a star.
Okay, So I have this drawn here. I'm going to cut that out. Okay. Let's all draw something and then we can cut it out.
मागीर आनी सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ रक्षाबंधन म्हळ्यार आतां महाभारतांत हिस्ट्री प्रकार कृष्णाक एक सांगता तुमी हे करतना एक स्टोरी सांगता कृष्णाक हे सुदर्शन चक्र कृष्णा सुदर्शन चक्र आसता सो ते सुदर्शन चक्रेक कसो जाता म्हळ्यार कृष्णा घाय जाता ते हे करतना तेन्ना द्रौपदी पळयता द्रौपदी पळयलो मागीर ती धांवन येवलो एक तिगेले साडी आसना ती साडीचे एक खूब काडून कृष्णा हाताक बोटाक बांदिता सो ते बांदितना कृष्णाक भारी खुशी जाता पळय म्हाका म्हज्या भयणीन बांदून पळय सो हे रगत पळनाची म्हूण सांगून बिकॉज शी हॅड गॉट हर्ट. So that's the significance. Mulari Vailina Annaka Banducha and then Annana Bhavana Vainika protect Krishna Kankanta. He will watch that Kasane from Drijalari Draupadika, so I will protect you on some.
Prashant, two letters, sir.
Well.
The Tugal clear na. If you can maybe can come to Namrata's place and talk. Tugal tit like hai na.
I finished making my circle.
Okay.
Cutting my circle out.
Oh, very nice, Suraj. Do you want to color it? Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
Do you want to repeat again the story?
Yeah. Right. So let me tell you a small story, the mythological story, Raksha Bandhan. I'm going to repeat.
Can you hear now? Kedar, is it better?
Why? Now we can hear.
Okay. So Krishna na एक पण तो सुदर्शन चक्र करताना यूज करताना त्या कृष्णा का घाय जाता हाताक बोटाक मागीर ते रगत येवचें जाता. सो ते रगत येतना द्रौपदी पळयता लागीं आसता द्रौपदी पळयता सो शी विल बी व्हेरी वरीड कशी पळय कृष्णाक लागली न्हू त्या बोटाक म्हूण सांगून रगत येता सो आय हॅव टू डू समथींग म्हूण सांगून तेन्ना धांवन येवन न्हू कसलें आसना द्रौपदी लागीं सो तिगेले तें साडी आसना सो द वन विच विमन वेअर सो तें साडी ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ अशी कटकोर न्हू ते पिंदून मागीर ते कृष्णाक बोटाक बांदिता तेन्ना कृष्णाक भारी खुशी जाता पळय शी टूक केअर ऑफ मी when I was in need म्हाका घाय जेतना so that now it is my duty to protect her. It is my duty to protect her when she is in need. If she is in trouble, if anyone if she calls me anytime, so I will go and I will be there to protect her. Vishnu Sangta Draupadi. So so that is one significance where मला बहिणीना भावाक बांदिले म्हळ्यार दूख देतना म्हूण सांगून तेन्ना तशीची कृष्णाने ही विल वाउच दॅट आय विल प्रोटेक्ट. तशीच मुखारी मागीर महाभारतान कसो जाता म्हळ्यार ते पगडे म्हणून खेळटाची पांडवास एंड कौरवास तेन्ना so Draupadi will be in trouble. So when Draupadi is in trouble, Krishna will come and then he will protect Draupadi from the embarrassment that it's about to take place. No? So Krishna will protect her. So that is one mythological story about the Raksha Bandhan.
Pigil kattukonjal.
You want to stick it together like this? Okay.
That's very nice, Prashant. I think all of us have tied Rakhi, but we didn't know the story behind it. So all the kids can now tell you can tell your friends the story behind the Rakhi. Why we are tying the Rakhi. Never?
Very good. Yeah, that's nice. Now you can I've done this.
I did this.
Yeah, do you all want to show what designs you all have drawn and cut out? I can see Vihan's. Do the others also want to show what they have done? Very good, Ria. Okay, nice.
I made a lot of layers.
Okay. You want to show yours, Kunal?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very nice. I can see 3 different colors there.
Yeah.
Blue, pink, and yellow. Oh, nice, Manoma. You got a heart and you put some decoration there. Very nice. Very good, Suraj. Yeah, and after that, do you want to color anything on top of that? Vihan, you can do that. Ria, you can also make some drawings and
तुम्ही मला गावाकडे पळायला so there is so many Rakhi styles, not just one.
Prashant Aikana, sorry.
Meet her, Shilva.
no, but it's not unmuted, but maybe you're far away from
No.
it.
Yeah, it sounds a little far away.
Okay, yeah. So, wait. Gawan tani padela, brothers and cousin brothers, tangal hat tani padela. If they have lot of sisters now, everyone will be willing to tie the Rakhi. Maybe gift each other.
Wait, the brother has to give
Yeah,
a gift.
brother has to give a gift to the sister. So Kunal and Kasane dil ki aji Kushi ka. Did he give anything to Kushi?
No, anything.
So Kushi, it is your right today to ask for a gift from Kunal. Right. To Kasan
I think I've thought of it.
Kunal alag. So get something from him.
Okay. Kunal has the right to ask for a sweet today.
A sweet or a chocolate, whatever he likes.
Jalebi, his favorite.
Oh,
Can you give me a jalebi?
yeah, I've added a few decorations like this. Anybody wants to add anything or anything colorful can add and make it as colorful as they want. Or if you want to draw something, you all can draw something on it. You want to show? You can put something in the middle of color.
I'm going to do.
Wait, good. What the color is there? Okay. Suraj, do you have a string? That's a scissor. Okay, good.
Are we supposed to glue it together?
Yeah. Glue together. It'll look nice and colorful. Very nice, Viana. I can see yours looks really cute. Okay, that's Pia's. Very nice. Yeah, then you can tie it.
Can I see how long the
Don't cut. You need this one to tie it up. That's why I kept it a little long. You have to tie a knot on it.
Oh,
So then with
You have
the
to put the string on right now.
hold the string and take it up to your elbow. So you have like a pretty long string. Okay.
is it fine if we use tape?
That's Kushi.
I mean tape use के लिए चलता है?
Yeah, anything, whatever it is, but keep it as long, like hold it with your fingers and keep it up to your elbow. So you have a pretty long string. To use my sheet. Once you're done with that, you can attach this to your to the middle of the ribbon.
Attach what again to the ribbon?
Yeah, what you
Put it behind. Put it behind actually. How long you have to make the ribbon?
Yeah, so hold it with your fingers and keep it up to your elbow. So that long. So it would be easy for you to tie a knot on your hand.
Do you glue it?
Yes.
Glue it?
Yeah. After that, add some glue to the back of the paper that you decorated, and then you can stick it to the middle of the
No, that's not.
to the middle of the ribbon.
It's just confusing. Just make a string. No, they're saying I have to do the elbow. Just take the measurement of the elbow.
Yeah, Suraj, that will be enough.
Yeah, that'll be enough.
Don't make it too short.
Yeah, don't make it too short. Let it be long enough to tie.
String. It's dried up.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
This.
Oh, that looks so
Oh,
good.
nice,
Now
Vihan.
stick it to this.
Take Vihan.
It said do it up to your elbow.
You can get Kyra to tie it for you later. Very nice.
Decorate Korea. Decorate Korea. Beads stick Korea. My already. It's supposed to be taped onto here.
Yeah, do you want to show? Dako kave tuka tu kasa kela muno? Oh, very nice. So coloring ani kela aveta Jerry. Very nice, very nice. Rishi, do you want to show what you have done?
Okay. I didn't glue it yet.
Okay. Oh, so
Oh, very cute.
probably I can
Almost
finish
done
it
with mine.
and then get your parents to take a picture and post it in the Gurukul group. It'll be nice. Yeah, very nice. It looks really cute.
खुशी तो बोलते सन्न बीड्स घाली The sun bead. Kunal doing gali.
Wait, Kunal just remembered something.
Beads.
Okay.
They have a whole bucket of beads. They forgot to use it.
Wait, one, nice.
Good use of them.
Yeah, I think we can finish up, Preeti, and then maybe move to the next.
Sure, sounds good.
Oh,
Okay.
thanks, Pranav. Yours looks nice and cute. Very nice.
Nice shape.
Yeah. I know it brings out all the creativity amongst the kids.
Yes.
Very nice, everyone.
Manome, do you want to show your Rakhi? What you made?
Should I tie it around?
Wow.
Actually, can all of you hold up your Rakhi against your face? I'll take a screenshot.
Yeah. Hold
And Prashant and Pia, can you sit beside Namrata so all of you are in the picture?
yours.
Yeah, one, show your face properly and hold the Rakhi against your face, but don't block your face, okay?
Yeah, I saw.
And everyone smile.
Ready? Just put that.
I didn't glue anything.
Yeah, Preeti is taking a picture.
Nice. Gomte
Ready? Ready, where?
Very nice, Kunal.
PL turn to Madhusana.
Yeah.
No, okay, I'm taking a screenshot now. Everyone smile. Smile.
ready.
Show me your face. Manumai torn dake tugale.
Miguel Nani ke beads galchesna.
It's okay. It's okay. Kittle झाले आतील. Smile कराती. Camera पळे आती. Smile.
Kunal, hold it up a little. We can see. Yeah.
Like this?
One minute. I took one. Let me take one more. Huh? 1 second.
Yeah, Manome, hold it with both your hands so we can see it nicely.
Okay.
Now Kunal is holding it.
Look up and give a sweet smile. The best smile. Smile. Thank you. Got it.
Thank you, Preeti.
See, in spite of being in our own homes, we took a group picture. Nice, na? Now, all of you are ready to sing a song? A fun Krishna bhajan, Krishna song. Ready, where? Everyone ready? You can finish up your Rakhi later, huh? No hurry. After class, you can put your materials aside and you can make your Rakhi even more beautiful. You already made it very beautiful. Ready to sing a song?
Complete, you all can get your parents to take a picture and send it so we can, and yeah, probably just hold it near your face so we know who has actually made the Rakhi.
Correct, yes.
Preeti, त्या video दाखवून पहिला की ना?
Wait. You know what? In the earlier video, we wanted to show you how they climb and how they fall. Because there was a question on, Pal Ari Laga Nav hai mano. So we showed that. But did you notice they never reached the handi? So now Kedar Ma'am wants to show you a video in which they actually hit the handi. Handi is the pot. Okay? You want to show Kedar?
Wait. Yeah, the previous video didn't have that.
Yes.
That is the Dadar Antu, thing climb karta thi. They showed how they climb, but they did not have the ending.
Correct. Yeah.
हा खर्च आहे अतिशय सुंदर असा मनोरथ या ठिकाणी त्यांनी रचण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. आणि अतिशय सुंदर असा आणि दहीहंडी फुटलेली आहे. हार्दिक शुभेच्छा, हार्दिक अभिनंदन. एकता मंडळाच्या या ठिकाणी हार्दिक अभिनंदन. अतिशय सुंदर अशी दहीहंडी फोडलेली आहे आणि अतिशय सुंदर
Pot isn't breaking.
They are making it difficult for them, huh?
We have to take out the coconut from inside, from up there and beat it in the pot.
Yay!
quite a fall.
And during Dahi Handi, they sing a song called Govinda Ala Re. That's in Marathi. You say Govinda is another name for Krishna. So you say Krishna has come ye. So now आता Chetan Ma'am आणि Rupa Pachi तुमका एक भजन शिकयतली. It's a very fun bhajan meant for small kids. It's very sweet. So if you learn it, you'll enjoy singing it. Huh? तुम्ही स्टार्ट करा ती हाँ स्लाइड शेयर कर हाँ.
And Preeti sang ki aaj prayer and bhajan are so and they can sing during that time.
Oh, why, correct. Today is 6 o'clock. Remind your parents we have prayer and bhajan evening. If all of you can come, then you can sing this bhajan that Rupa Pachi is going to teach you now. You can sing it during prayer and bhajan evening, in the evening, today at 6 o'clock. Huh? I'll share this slides. You can see Chetan Ma'am and Rupa Pachi have prepared the words for you in English, so you can read, and while they sing, you can sing with them.
दिसतस ने तुमका त्या ब्लू कलर and तसं, that is the song. Okay, we'll sing that.
And
Repeat after me. छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटे छोटे गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल.
Next slide.
Crisscross conveys.
आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे ग्वाल,
आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे ग्वाल,
बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल,
बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल.
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटे गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल.
Next.
Next slide. No, previous one.
काली काली गैया गोरे गोरे ग्वाल,
काली काली गैया गोरे गोरे ग्वाल,
श्याम वरण मेरो मदन गोपाल,
श्याम वरण मेरो मदन गोपाल,
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटी छोटी गैया
छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल.
नेक्स्ट. छोटी छोटी लकुटी छोटे छोटे हाथ,
छोटी छोटी लकुटी छोटे छोटे हाथ,
बंसी बजावे मेरो मदन गोपाल,
बंसी बजावे मेरो मदन गोपाल,
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल,
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल.
नेक्स्ट स्वर. प्यारी प्यारी सखियां मधुबन बाग,
प्यारी प्यारी सखियाँ
रास रचावे मेरो मदन गोपाल
रास रचावे मेरो मदन गोपाल
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल
हांगा दिसतस तुमका बेबी कृष्ण अशी क्रेडल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल
छोटी छोटी
गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल
घास खाए गैया दूध पिए ग्वाल
घास खाए गैया दूध पिए ग्वाल
माखन खाए मेरो मदन गोपाल
माखन खाए मेरो मदन गोपाल
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल
छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल
We are done.
That's wonderful, Rupa.
Yeah, very nice.
Felt so nice, no, everyone? You liked it? You felt like you were Krishna kal jhula swing तुम्ही अशी केलं म्हणजे feeling आयल बा तुमका
विजिबल असेल बस समाची
वय समर समर
Very cute to see the little Krishna.
Very nice. So what we'll do is the song that Rupa Pachi and Chetan ma'am made for you, we'll send the song on WhatsApp. So you have the words and you can sing whenever you want. Huh? And Aji prayer and bhajan, try to come and sing that song. Okay? If multiple of you are prepared, you can all sing together also. Forget the Zoom echo. We'll have fun. Okay, now let's see. You want to take a 2-minute break and come back? 2-minute break घेतात वा? Anyone want a 2-minute break? Okay, we'll come after 2-3 minutes. Huh? Just a quick bathroom or water break. Okay, back everyone. We'll wait for one more minute for Suraj to come back and Vihan. Someone messaged they wanted a bathroom break, so so give a quick 2-minute break. Manomai te glue va? O te glue kartas.
Miguel glue ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ dry gel and it's falling out the kachi.
Oh why?
खुशी गंजाल की दाकई
What?
Wow.
Oh nice, Kushi.
Oh, very nice, Kushi. Very nice.
अरे वाह.
Very nice.
कुणाल तुगल दाकई हाँ कैमरा लग हाँ nice nice
Oh,
very
multiple
nice
layers.
वही multiple layers कलर तुगल मनोमय तुगल दाकई कैमरा लगी हडी ah lovely oh made it very colorful huh?
Very nice. Oh, he got piyal pada. Nice.
Pia very nice
You know, each one of you can take a picture of yourself
Correct.
and the Rakhi and put it on the Facebook group.
Wait. Make it as glittery as possible. You know, it should.
Riya
It
tugal.
should. Yeah, nice. It should shine.
Riya dakhi tugal. Wow. Lagi hadi.
Kaya Saria? Oh,
Close.
here.
Huh.
Okay.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, very sweet. Very sweet.
So nice. The stars.
Very nice.
Vihan pada. Wow.
Oh,
Vihan.
lovely. Very nice, Vihan.
अरे वाह टर्न कर पड़ता.
They're so creative, really. Oh, Pranav. Dakai, bring it close.
Nice.
Wow.
Oh, nice,
Very
nice. Very nice.
Oh, see, he's passed the thread through the bead.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Very nice.
Very
But
creative.
even Vihan was doing something like that.
Yeah, Vihan also had done that.
Oh, why that?
Wait, and 4-5 beads galale ek dikane.
Suraj, tugal dakhai. Show us your Rakhi.
Wow.
Nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Miguel अनेक
So
class
sweet.
स्वतः watchka. Miguel अनेक classes स्वतः watchka.
Oh,
Okay.
is that?
Okay, Vihan.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. आम्ही
Bye.
आता सर्व मंगल मांगल्य म्हणूया आणि then meditate करूया and then we are done. Okay. तुम्ही unmute करा ती. We'll all say it together, huh?
Okay.
Unmute everyone. And video on, Kushi. Okay, ready? Sarvamangalamangalye sarvarthasadihe Taranye Trambake Narayane Namostute. Very nice. तुम कधी मेडिटेट करतात वे 5 times ओम नमः शिवाय म्हणतात ती meditation pose on by side. You can sit down or you can sit up, whatever is convenient. Crisscross applesauce. Okay, Annie. Om Namah Shivaya. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Very nice. Thank you, everyone. Ani, can you all do one more thing? Can you take a video of yourself sitting down, a meditation pose, and you say 11 times Om Namah Shivaya and send us a short video? Can you do that?
Do that?
Can you all do that? Yes?
Yes.
Very nice. And send us a picture of your Rakhi like Namrata Pachi told you in front of your face.
Excuse me, video 5 second पे तो इतकी हम का अंगाल मुसरत ली जला.
Bye.
So sweet.
Sure, Manomai. And thank you for joining in spite of being so late, huh, Manomai?
Nice to see all kids after a long time.
Yeah. Bye.
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 Bye.